Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically turn off like read receipts on your X direct messages. So if you go to more here and go to settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety and select direct messages, and here you're just going to turn it off to not show read receipts. If you choose to show them, you will let people know you're messaging with no, okay. When you've seen their messages, read receipts are not shown on message requests. Okay, so if you do enable, it's like WhatsApp, so it will turn like blue, I think, or something. I don't remember, but I do like turning it off because I don't like when people know I've read messages, because sometimes I don't know. Anyways, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end if you've made it all the way here. Goodbye.